Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are looking at part 2 of my raw vegan smoothie challenge experience. And if you haven't seen part 1, I will link it right here. You need to go and watch that video first and then come back here and watch part 2. And again, just a really basic overview. This was the 9-day fully raw vegan smoothie challenge by FullyRaw Kristina. So when you hear me referring to specific smoothies or specific days, just know that that is what I am referring to. And again, I just want to apologize that the entire thing is filmed in vertical version. This was the first video I ever filmed, and I didn't know that you were always supposed to film horizontally. So please just bear with me as it is in vertical version, but I hope that the information is still valuable to you guys. And let's just jump right into where we left off with my smoothie challenge experience. Hey guys, so it's day 5 of the smoothie cleanse. I'm just sitting down to eat lunch. This is my lunch today. I left it in the measuring cup because I wanted to see how much it was, how many ounces, and it's actually right at 32, so it came out to the perfect amount. It's a banana chocolate almond butter smoothie, and it's really more of a nice cream. It's super thick, and oh my goodness, it's so good. All of the banana ones have been amazing. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update how I've been feeling. So it's day 5, and so far, overall, I've been feeling really good. I haven't been having detox. Although last night, I was not feeling that good, so that would have been day 4. I don't know if it was because of the smoothie cleanse or just because I really haven't been getting enough sleep lately, paired with it was really hot outside, so it could have just been a combination of things, but it was around dinner time and I was trying to drink my dinner smoothie and I just was not feeling well. It might have also been the smoothie because it was one of the more savory ones that's kind of supposed to be like a soup. And then the first 2 smoothies of the day, like breakfast and lunch, were both really small. Like I think I only had maybe about 16 ounces each. So I think also I was probably a bit too hungry. And then when I went to eat the dinner one and the taste, I just didn't like it at all. So I was trying to eat it, but then it would make me feel nauseous. But then when I didn't eat it, I was kind of feeling sort of faint, a little bit lightheaded. So overall, it just wasn't really that great, but I don't know if I can blame it on detox. I think it might have just been a combination of being too tired, having it be really hot outside, and then not eating enough that day. So yeah, basically that's it. But today I feel great, so that's why I'm thinking it probably wasn't detox. I didn't have a headache or anything. I was just feeling a little bit nauseous. So, but yeah, overall, it's been a really good experience. I think I'm starting to realize that like certain smoothies I'm just not gonna like, and that's okay. I still want to try all of them. I'm keeping a list so that I know when the cleanse is over, like which ones I really liked and which ones I'm gonna want to keep having just in my everyday routine. So this one is definitely gonna be in there. Oh my goodness, this one is so good. And also, the other day I had another banana and ice cream, and oh man, it was after I think the 2 other smoothies that day. They were okay, but they weren't amazing, and they were more kind of a green, like a healthier sort of taste. And so that evening I had a really, really amazing ice cream, and I was like bouncing up and down. I was so excited. It was so good. Yeah, basically that's it so far, so I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so it is day 7 of the smoothie cleanse. I am just sitting here with my dinner. I kind of drank most of it, but it is very green. As you can see, it's got like cucumbers, celery, there's garlic in there, lemon juice, avocado. It's actually okay. I'm not a huge green smoothie person, but it's actually drinkable. It's not so bad. The last few days have been not as great as the first few. So the first few I was going really strong and I was enjoying all the smoothies and not really feeling any detox at all. And then the last few days, I wouldn't say I've had detox, but I would say my body just feels a little more off. Like, I think probably because there were a few smoothies that I really didn't like, to the point where when I tasted them, I actually felt kind of nauseous. So for 2 days, 2 of the dinners, I didn't really eat most of them. Like I had a few bites and then I was just like, oh, I really don't like the taste of this. It's making me feel sick. So I just didn't eat it. And to the point where I didn't really want to eat another smoothie either. So in those 2 days, I don't think I was consuming enough. So that might have been why I felt a little bit off. Not so much of actual detox, but just I needed more calories that I wasn't getting. So I would suggest when you're looking at a smoothie, because you can kind of tell when you read the ingredients, like, is this going to be something that I think I'll like? And if it sounds like something you're really unsure of, I would suggest like make like a quarter size or a half size. Like use half the ingredients that it says to use to try it first before you waste all those ingredients on a smoothie that you might not even like. So that's what I did with this one. I decided to make like a half size first, and I actually liked it, so then I added in a few more ingredients. But for the other two, the last two evening dinner meals, I just kind of went full out and made them. I ended up wasting a lot of ingredients, which was kind of unfortunate. So I would just give that as a tip. If you're not too sure about the smoothie, then definitely try out a smaller size first before you go all in and use up all your ingredients on that smoothie. Because if you don't like it, you can always just swap it with another one. It's really casual. You know, you don't have to have the smoothie that's on that day. If you don't like that smoothie, you can just do a completely different smoothie. So that's basically what I am going to now do in the future. I have 2 days left. It's crazy. Tomorrow I'm on to day 8 and day 9, and I'm pretty excited. I'm actually thinking of extending the cleanse. Honestly, 9 days is not that long. Smoothies are pretty fun to eat. I'm honestly not really craving cooked foods. I've been around a lot of people who've been eating a lot of cooked foods, and yeah, sometimes I'm like, oh man, like that smells really good, but I'm just feeling so healthy. Like I feel like my skin's clearing up. I feel like my hair is even getting smoother than it was even just a week ago. I've lost some weight, which I wasn't even planning on. That was not a goal for me. This was purely health reasons. I was not focused on losing weight, but I actually did lose 4 pounds so far. And so, I mean, there's just so many benefits. And so I just want to keep going, and I just want to see if I can continue to feel even better. So I guess you guys will find out if I end up actually doing that. But anyways, that's my little update. And so 2 days left. So I'll continue to let you know how I'm feeling. But I'd say, yeah, make sure you get enough calories. If you don't like a smoothie, just stop drinking it and make a new one. I was like, oh, I don't want to waste the ingredients, so I didn't make another smoothie. And then those days I ended up being like feeling a little like lightheaded and just not that great because I wasn't consuming enough. So that'd be my tip, is make sure you do that. So anyways, alright, talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, so it is day 9 of the smoothie cleanse. Oh my goodness, finally, I'm so excited. Last day, I'm just excited to complete it, really. Just to say, like, I did the 9-day smoothie cleanse. I did the whole thing. Not so much excited because I'm like craving food so much, because honestly, I'm not really craving food. I'm really enjoying the smoothies, and there isn't even really anything on my radar that I'm like, oh man, just like so excited to have that when I'm done. Like, no, I'm really just enjoying it still, but I'm just happy to accomplish completing the cleanse. So yeah, last day, just sitting down and eating lunch right now. This is my lunch. It is a cherry banana smoothie. It was supposed to be a dragon fruit smoothie, but for some reason, the last few times I went to the grocery store, there hasn't been dragon fruit, so whatever. I just swapped it out for cherry. There hasn't been any cherry so far, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to just make a banana cherry smoothie. So it's really good, and I'm sure I'll try the dragon fruit one later on. There's still some smoothies that I want to try, like some of the extra smoothies, because there's 3 every day, but then there's also a few extras at the end, so I definitely want to try those. So even with those alone, I could go a few more days. And then there's a few that I kind of altered a few times. I didn't have the full ingredients that I needed, so I did a similar smoothie, but I'd like to go back and do those smoothies again with like every single ingredient that is actually listed to see how the taste changes. So yeah, anyways, just wanted to give you guys a little update. Everything is going really well. I'm really enjoying it. I'm happy to have almost finished. I have one more meal, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it. So yeah, that's it for now. Hey guys, so it is day 10 of the 9-day smoothie challenge. So I decided to go an extra day. I don't know how long I'm gonna go for, but I mentioned to you guys that I might continue. I'm not sure. I'm liking it, but I'm starting to actually crave solid foods. And today, being technically done, I was thinking, it'd be really nice to just pick something up on the way home from work. I don't really feel like going home and making dinner. Even though it's a smoothie, it's pretty simple. I'm just kind of getting sick of that constant need to make smoothies all the time. But I wanted to break the fast properly, and one thing Kristina does mention in the fast is that you should break it by eating a mono meal of really juicy fruit. So before you start eating any other foods, you should really do a mono meal specifically of watermelon if you can. That would be the best option. So I really wanted to follow that, and I didn't want to just go from a smoothie to eating a cooked meal for dinner. So that kind of also motivated me to stick with smoothies for today. So I kind of just used a mix of the different smoothies that I've really been enjoying. So tonight I actually made one of the bonus smoothies that was at the back of the Cleanse program. So this is what it is. It is a pear smoothie, which is kind of cool because we haven't had any pear throughout the whole cleanse. So it's pears, blueberries, kale, and apple juice, which when I read it, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like that. I'm not a huge pear person, and I'm also not a huge apple juice person, but everything blended together is actually really, really good. And the pears, I found these perfectly ripe pears at the grocery store, these organic pears. Since I don't usually eat pears, I was like, but man, they're so fresh and so good, so I'm really excited about this. So yeah, and I picked up a watermelon, so tomorrow morning I might decide to just bite into that and break the fast. I don't know, we'll see. I kind of wanted to see how long I could go for, but the thing is, I've kind of been asking myself, like, what's the point? Like, why do I want to keep going? And I think part of it is just to challenge myself and see how long I could go for. But if I'm not enjoying the process anymore, I don't know if I want to continue doing it. And one of the biggest challenges I've found with the cleanse is just the social aspect of it. I really miss going out with friends to eat food, and I feel like I haven't seen people as often just because I'm needing to eat my smoothies. And yes, I've still been going to like birthday parties, family events, and those kind of things, but I'll just bring my own food, which is fine. But I really do miss like going out with friends or family for a meal and eating together. There's something special about that. And even though I do always eat vegan meals now, there's still a lot more options when you're not eating straight smoothies. So yeah, I think I probably will break it soon. But we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll let you know tomorrow if I do end up breaking it. Hey guys, so it is day 11 of my 9-day smoothie challenge, and I'm actually just about to break my fast. I wanted to show you guys on camera, and honestly, I'm so excited. I have gotten to a place in the last 2 days where I'm really starting to crave food. I didn't really crave food for the majority of the cleanse. I was just enjoying it. And then, yeah, yesterday I was eating my smoothies and I was just not really that into it anymore. And I've just been noticing that I'm a lot more hungry lately, even though I'm having the amount of smoothie I'm supposed to have. It's like my body is just ready to have food again. So I am about to dive into a watermelon. I guess I'll just show you guys right here if I can pick it up. I am literally just going to start eating a quarter of a watermelon. I'm just gonna eat it with a spoon because honestly, I'm just too excited to even cut it, and why not just eat it with a spoon? So yeah, I'm really excited. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dig into this. So first bite of food after, well, 11 days, so it's lunchtime now. So I still had a smoothie for breakfast on day 11, so, 10 and a third days. So here we go. It's really good. Oh my goodness. Tastes like watermelon. It's really nice to be able to like crunch something in your mouth again and not just have the liquid. And I think I'm just excited to have more variety. Even though I got to try a lot of really good smoothies and a lot of things that were new to me, it does start to get repetitive when you realize that all the smoothies that you're having, essentially it's fruit. There are greens in there, but I'm not really eating a lot of other varieties. Like I'm not eating nuts the way I would, or like different vegan foods, because I still eat cooked food, so anything cooked, or even like veggies with dip and hummus, like things like that. You don't have any variety, you're just essentially eating fruit. So I'm excited tonight to not eat fruit. So one thing that was really bothering me during the smoothie cleanse, especially in the last few days, is that my teeth always felt like they were kind of coated with this sugary film. Even when I brushed my teeth, I felt like I couldn't get rid of it, and I think it's just because it's that consistent sugar that you're eating all the time. So when you're having 3 smoothies a day and then sometimes snack smoothies in between, your teeth aren't really getting a break from that. Like I wasn't eating anything that wasn't sugary. Even if my smoothies had greens in them, they still had fruit in them, so they were still sugary. So that's also something I'm looking forward to, is just, eating some meals that are a bit more savory, that actually have 0 fruit, and just kind of allowing my teeth to have a break from that. But this watermelon is really good. I don't know how much I'll actually eat. I feel like I won't even want to eat that much of it. I'm really honestly just looking forward to whatever I ate for dinner tonight. I don't know what I'm going to eat, but it'll be something more like a normal meal. I'll try to still keep it healthy. Like I'm not going to have like chips or fries or anything really bad for me, but it definitely will be closer to what I would typically eat in a meal. So that is everything for now. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed coming on this journey with me. I would encourage you guys, if you are interested in doing a smoothie cleanse, totally do it. It's an awesome experience. Just listen to your body. I felt that the first half of the cleanse, I was really into it. I was really excited, and I really felt good. I was like, wow, okay, like I feel good doing this cleanse. But then now that I'm, 10 plus days in, I'm just not really feeling the benefits of it that much anymore. I'm actually feeling like a little bit just tired and ready for change. So just listen to your body. I would challenge you to complete the full 9 days. Like do it, because for some people maybe you won't feel those beneficial effects till later on. So it's different for everyone. But yeah, just listen to your body, and yeah, just enjoy the journey. Alright guys, so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed coming along this journey with me and just experiencing my Fully Raw Vegan Smoothie Challenge. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and please like this video if you liked it, and also subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more content like this in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!